Welcome. This meeting is to introduce you to KPI Cloud Analytics for Power BI. KPI Cloud Analytics offers applications that have sets of data jobs to pull data from ERP, inventory, planning, CRM, marketing, and other systems into pre-built Power BI data sets that are also exposed out in pre-built Power BI reports and dashboards. Let's go take a look at finance as an example. Within finance, you'll see, for example, we have accounts payable, general ledger, and accounts receivable. Each of these comes with its own suite of pre-built reports that are based on best in the industry practices. All of these reports are customizable by the clients to fit and meet their organization's needs. But these serve as a valuable launching point for users to be able to grab the data and customize it to what they need. Also included in it are all the jobs that are required to get the data in a reporting-friendly format for Power BI. Thereby, we can save implementations upwards to 70 to 80% of time and cost by leveraging KPI Cloud Analytics. For more information, please contact us.